30 seconds to entry.
As we come up on entry, we'll expect a 2 or 3 second outage in the X-band signal as we switch from the PLGA to the TLGA.
We're switching to the TLGA, signal's dropped, and it's...
We just saw the signal drop. That indicates we changed antennas.
We're seeing heartbeat tones again after the switch. Things are looking good. We got tones back again. Coming up on entry. Vehicle reports entry interface. At this time, it will begin pressurizing the propulsion system to increase the thrust of the system. We'll use that for all the maneuvering in the atmosphere we're about to do.
Back to heartbeat tones.
We are standing by for guided start and the start of guided entry.
Nav can see the entry in the atmosphere in the Doppler.
We are beginning to feel the atmosphere as we go in here. The vehicle has just reported via tones that it has started guided entry. At this time, the vehicle is beginning to steer its way to the target. It is starting its first bank reversal. First bank reversal complete. We have seen peak deceleration. We've passed through peak heating and peak deceleration. It is reporting that we are seeing Gs on the order of 11 to 12 Earth Gs.
Flight GDSA.
GDSA flight, go.
We are processing data from Odyssey.
Bank reversal 2 is starting. We are now getting telemetry from Odyssey.
All right.
Bank reversal 2 complete.
Copy, bank reversal 2 complete.
Thanks.
Standby flight. We have a connection, but we actually do not have any data yet.
Copy.
We can expect some intermittent contact at this time as the signal increases to respectable levels.
There we go. We are now seeing
and we have
from
our
Odyssey.
CDPs.
Okay, copy.
And visualization is updated.
We have entered heading alignment.
There it goes!
At this time, Curiosity is no longer trying to control how far it's flying downrange and is just heading directly for the target.
End of range control, air used minus 1.2 kilometers.
Minus 1.2. The EL team is reporting that that things look pretty good at the end of range control. We have converged a lot of the error, and we should be heading toward the target.
Flight EDL, TDS warning is okay.
Copy.
Power on.
We are seeing a tone from indicating that we have seen heating on the heat shield through the Medley instrument. Everything looks fine. This is as expected. During the setting alignment phase, we're flying almost horizontally like a plane. We're going about Mach 2.4 at an altitude of 17 kilometers or so. Vehicle's reporting heartbeat tones again, indicating that everything is fine during heading alignments. We are standing by for straighten up and fly right and parachute deploy. Vehicle's continuing to decelerate. We're down to about Mach 2. As a reminder, we should have parachute deploy around Mach 1.7. We're at 15 kilometers altitude.
We've begun entry balance mass jettison. The predicted mid distance downrange is 1.597 kilometers.
EDL Ops, Odyssey Systems on EDL Ops.
Parachute deploy.
Parachute.
Thrusters have been re-enabled. We will control our attitude on chute. We are decelerating.
Risk mode under
About 10 kilometers
parachute
decelerated
are 20
and
to
descending.
30
We are at
degrees
150
per second.
meters per second.
Dynamics phase. Come back again with wrist mode dynamics.
Risk mode is nominal.
We are 9 kilometers and descending.
active.
Valid range.
Net filter converged with a velocity correction of 0.7 meters a second.
We've acquired the ground with the radar.
An altitude of 8 kilometers.
Feed chill has separated. We've found the ground.
Expand tones due to earth occultation as expected. We're
Standing by to prime the Emily engines in preparation for powered flight. We're down to 90 meters per second at an altitude of 6.5 kilometers and descending.
Flight EDL, we got some TWIDA warnings. It is
We
in battle
expect to
short
lose
mode, so it should power through them.
Direct to Earth communications at this time. We may have lost it already. We're down to 86 meters per second at an altitude of 4 kilometers and descending. We've lost tones from Earth at this time. This is expected. We're continuing on Odyssey telemetry.
Ground solution equals minus 10.8 meters, vertical velocity of minus
We are
82.8
priming power
meters per
descent logic
second.
start enabled, standing by for back shell separation.
Signal to Odyssey is still strong.
We are in powered flight. We're at altitude of 1 kilometer descending, about 70 meters per second.
Signal to Odyssey
Control
remains
air.
Down to 50 meters per second. 500 meters in altitude. Standing by for sky crane.
Constant velocity accordion nominal, altitude error 5.9 meters.
We found a nice flat place. We're coming in ready for sky crane. Down to 10 meters per second. 40 meters altitude. Sky crane has started. Descending at about 0.75 meters per second as expected. Expecting bridle cut shortly.
Signal to Odyssey remains strong.
Tango Delta nominal.
Yep. EDL comm configuration.
RIMU stable.
UHF telemetry.
RIMU stable.
UHF is good.
Touchdown confirmed. We're safe on Mars. Time to see where our curiosity will take us. At this time, flyaway should be complete. Descent stage is at a safe distance. We are continuing to receive telemetry from Curiosity. We're safe.
Getting data from the surface of Mars.
ASCAM sequence is kicked off, waiting for images.
Heads up, folks. EDL ops, the signal to Odyssey remains strong.
Flight EDL images are starting to come down.
We're beginning to get images
we got
from
images
Odyssey.
coming down, folks.
EDL comm configures
Stand by for images.
Rear has
Seeing
cam
thumbnails
images.
coming down.